Hello beautiful people, welcome to Long Kiss TV. So today I have that relaxed perm fresh out the salon. It's giving my hair is relaxed. This is my real hair. I just got a relaxer. Okay. This is from Shine Hair. So they sent over this cute 5x5 Glueless lace wig. And when I tell y'all, this video is so short and y'all already know why. I didn't do shit. I put it on my head. I plucked a little bit of the part and that's it. This is completely glueless. The density is perfect for the realistic, like, relaxer look. Like, it looks like you just got your hair relaxed. Maybe you just left the salon. I mean, like, it's so lightweight. If this is too shiny for you, I did add a little bit of shine with just some olive oil, but if this is too shiny for you, you can just do some dry shampoo type of situation. It didn't need the olive oil. I just really wanted to do it because I wanted it to look like that salon, like fresh out the chair look. And to me, that's what it gives. The length and the density combined. Like I just left the salon. And when I say glueless, I mean like glueless. Like, this is so versatile. I love it because it took 10 minutes to put on. If you want to switch it to a middle part, literally just switch it. Like, if that's what you want to do, if that's your vibe, switch it. If you like it on this side, girl, just switch it. Like, when I say completely glueless, like, I didn't even cut any lace on it. It came like this. Like, I did not cut any lace. It literally came like this. I didn't have to do anything. I chose to pluck the part, but I didn't have to, and it just looks so cute. And you can even wear it up if you wanted to do like a braid or something on the side, you can. I didn't cut the lace on this. Like, it's just like that, literally. Like, you can cut layers in it, you can play with it and do whatever you want. I just wanted the realistic look. You can do half up, half down. You know, whatever you want to do, you can do it. But for this to be a 5x5 and I didn't cut the lace on it, y'all know I've been getting into low maintenance wigs, but I've never had a wig where I didn't have to cut the lace. I'm gonna just say that right now. Like, Shine Hair, if y'all want to keep working with me, baby, please, you do not have to beg me. Just shoot me the email like y'all did before, because this is so convenient. Like, are you serious right now? Are you serious right now? Like, I'm giving like 90s fine, like 90s baddie. Like, I just got a relaxer and you bitches can't fuck with me. That's what it's giving. And if I want to take it off right now, I can. I will have the direct link to this wig in the description box below. If y'all don't get this, then you just flat out lazy, because you can really be a bad bitch and not even have to cut the lace. Like, they did that too. Like, I didn't have to do nothing. Be for real. Be fucking for real. Shine Hair, thank you again for sponsoring today's video. If you'd like to see how I achieve this super easy 5-minute install, less than 5 minutes, don't have to cut the lace, don't have to bleach the knots, don't have to do shit, then just keep watching.
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with our bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby, I will show you how. You can catch my vibe and right away I'll so much time looping in the blurry lights.